What is going on, guys? We are back, and today we are going to be, this is going to be a two-part video. We're going to be cleaning these wheels up. We're going to sand down all the curb rash today, and then maybe tomorrow we will paint these things. But yeah, we're going to clean up all the curb rash on all these wheels, and then we will look at painting them. We're going to paint them black. I think that'll do the best job of hiding all the damage. So here is a sanding montage video. We're going to clean these wheels next, and then we will get them ready for paint. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to wash all the wheels very well, try to get all the grease and brake dust and stuff off of them, and then we will look at painting these things after they dry. Guys, we are back, and yesterday we cleaned the wheels, so today we are going to paint the wheels. I got some stuff from last time I did the 4Runners wheels. It's from dipyourcar.com. It's the pre-dip stuff, so we'll clean the wheels one more time with this before we start spraying. But first we're gonna mask the back, the brakes, so we don't get any paint on that. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some trash bags. I'm going to rip these in half with a little bit more surface area, and then we are going to feed this behind the wheels. We may need two, but we'll see. As long as we cover everything, it should be okay. We just don't want to get any paint on the rotors or the brakes. So whatever we don't cover, it's gonna have paint on it. Okay, that looks pretty good. So I got the brakes covered on this one. Let's do the other. Okay, so now that we got everything covered and it looks good, just so we keep everything off the brakes, we are going to clean the wheels with this. Let's see here, from this, we're just going to spray this all over the wheels, and then we're going to wipe it down just so it's good and clean before we start spraying the paint. Okay, after I've cleaned all this, I'm actually going to tape all the valve stems, as well as I'm going to tape this plastic back behind, because the wind is blowing pretty good today, so I don't want it to get on. I don't want the plastic to. Here we got 4 cans of black and then 2 cans of gloss, so I'm going to use a full can on each wheel. It's already taped, ready to go, and then we will do half a can on each wheel of the gloss. These are going to be black wheels, so we're going to start painting these, and hopefully it'll work out. So your first coat, you want to go very light. Outside, start putting a layer on the tire, because we're going to peel this off once we get it. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. But as we go around, we'll go every other wheel. And then we'll do 10 minutes in between each coat since it's so warm outside right now. And we'll see how this goes. Alright, we got one coat on here, just real light coat, and so as we get more and more coats on here, we will slowly build it up, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to go on the tire itself, so when we go to peel this off at the end, it'll make a clean ring around the wheel. But yeah, we're going to keep doing this probably for the next hour till we run out of paint in these, and then we'll go do the gloss. Okay, so we're about halfway done on these wheels. I've done about 4 coats so far on them, so they're looking pretty good. Now we're doing a lot more heavy coats on there, so I'll show you what they look like right now. They're looking pretty good. So the more coats, the better on this paint. So the more that you can put on here, and then the later coats, the heavier you go, is the best thing for it. That way it's not gonna peel off, it's not gonna get nicked or anything. It should be fine. So we're gonna continue doing this until we use up all the paint. 8 or 9 coats on each wheel. So now we're gonna do the glossifier, make these a little bit glossy wheels instead of just the matte black. So yeah, we're gonna do probably 4 coats of this on there, and that will use up both of these cans. Okay, we are done. I've done 4 coats of gloss and 8 coats of black. So you take a look at these wheels. I'm gonna let them dry for a little bit before we take off the plastic. Pretty well though. As you can see, kind of hid the curb rash a little bit better. So we'll take this plastic off here in just a little bit after these dry completely. Give it about an hour, and then we'll be ready to go. Okay, so the wheels are done. Came out really well. You can still see a little bit of curb rash, but they it makes the car look a whole lot better. So those are done. If y'all have any questions or comments, please leave them below in the video. But we're gonna do a couple more things. We're gonna do a quick demo on the back of this car. We're gonna get the front and the rear bumpers painted. We're gonna take the wing off. We're gonna wrap it in some vinyl wrap, as well as the hood and the rear deck lids. So stay tuned for that. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Take care and have a great day.